sirens across the city are being blasted. Sirens are now used to alert the public of a range of hazards, including severe weather, hazardous material, incidents, terrorism, civil unrest, and fires. The good news is there's no way of knowing if this is terrorism or a brush fire, because they're all the fucking same sound. We have a suggestion, maybe some sub-sirens? So if you hear this alarm, that's a tornado. If you hear this, it's a fire. And then if you hear this,
hey baby, I hear the blues are calling, tossed salads and scrambled eggs. Mercy.
That's white terrorism. And of course, if you hear this,
my eyes are getting weary, my back is getting tight.
You already know. Doug is undermining Carrie again, so.